Bro, for sure, my man. You know, first of all, I want to say, looking at you in the video, you remind me of the Pharaoh from Egypt. You just look like a Pharaoh in this video, bro. I love it. And then talking about, every little thing that had to line up in order for that to happen at that specific moment at 22:22 for us to arrive there together in that time and space. People talk about coincidence, right? As if it's accidental. It's a coincidence, it's accidental. However, coincide is a mathematical term and comes from the fact that when two things coincide, when angles in mathematics, in order for two angles to coincide, or for two things to coincide at a particular place in time, often hundreds of things, thousands of things, even millions of things have to happen for those two things to align in that particular space and time at that particular moment. So yeah, for sure, bro. It's phenomenal. The universe is just incredible, and God works in amazing ways. And I always tell people that we are all individual self-fulfilling prophecies. There's 8 billion of us, 8 billion self-fulfilling prophecies on this planet, and we're all self-fulfilling according to our beliefs, our values, and our unconscious desires, and our wounds, and our significant emotional events, and the things that have happened to us, and all that kind of stuff, right? And those of us, like you say, those of us who are awake, conscious, and are tuned in, tapped in, turned on to the power of this universe and the power that exists inside of us and the connection that we have to everything around us. We manifest in different ways to people who are ignorant and asleep, obviously. And it's a great time to be alive, man. We're living in the midst of the greatest shift in humanity's existence, and I, for one, am grateful to be here right now, to have manifested in this time and space with you and other people like us who are on this journey, and are channeling light into the world. And as the awakening speeds up, which was accelerated by COVID, obviously, the veil is being pulled back faster than ever before to reveal the darkness. And the darkness loves to the darkness is playing with the light. So it's a fucking interesting time to be alive, man. And what lies ahead, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20 years in the future is, it's going to be interesting. So yeah. Anyway, bro, great to hear from you. Great to see you, bud. And sending you big love, man.